All right, we do have some first alert weather conditions out there, but I want to take a look around the region real quickly before we get to some of those satellite maps out there. Here in the Boise area, we've warmed up since those storms pushed through about 4 o'clock this afternoon. We're up to about 75 degrees out there, so really nice conditions shaping up for this evening for any activities out there. Twin Falls looking nice too, 76. Plenty of sunshine out there. Sun Valley always looking nice, 66 degrees. Maine Marina looking a little eerie right now, but the storm clouds that have moved through that area are finally pushing off to the east, and they'll start seeing a little bit more sunshine before the sun sets this evening. They're down to about 58 degrees out there in McCall. Taking a look at our watches and warnings this afternoon, the severe thunderstorm warning for a storm there in Malheur County has just expired, and we still have the flash flood watch that's in effect till 9 o'clock for much of eastern Oregon. National Weather Service did let it expire for much of the central mountain locations as those storms have died off in that area as well. Speaking of the storms that we've seen in there, that's that storm that moved through earlier this afternoon about 2:30 to 3 o'clock, and that's pushed all the way through. It's now off into the mountains near Chalice and into the Montana area. However, as we move back into the eastern Oregon area, we're seeing some of these thunderstorms up here between Baker City and Ontario pushing through, starting across the I-84 corridor there, as well as hitting over the Idaho-Oregon border here as well. Homedale, Marsing could start seeing a few flashes of lightning, some thunder as well. With these storms, we're seeing gusts up to about 60 miles per hour, in some areas 50 miles per hour. Heavy rain, lots of lightning, and some strong winds out there. So we're also seeing some pea-sized hail in some of these areas. So Jordan Valley also seeing some of that. We could start seeing that clip here of the Boise area in the next half hour to hour or so. So we're not quite out of the woods yet this evening, but we're going to keep an eye on that and push that through. However, things do start to clear up after that as we take the wider look out here. We're starting to see some of these things start to die off and clear off back behind that in eastern Oregon out there. Taking a look at what we can expect tonight and into tomorrow for the Magic Valley areas. Low 80s for many locations, plenty of sunshine out here. Really nice weekend shaping up for much of southern Idaho out there. Overnight lows staying pretty mild, 55 for the Jerome area as well. Central Mountain areas looking decent out here too, 74 degrees for Sun Valley tomorrow. Few stray clouds as that system continues to push eastward, but nothing too major out there. Same thing goes for the west central mountains. Plenty of sunshine as soon as those clouds burn off in the morning. 70s for the Long Valley area, 83 being the warm spot for McCall tomorrow. Decent conditions as well. Western edge of the Treasure Valley, low to mid 80s here, 84 for Ontario. Lots of sunshine here again, really nice conditions. And then taking a look at the Boise area, 84 degrees here, really good conditions tomorrow. Nice, kind of the cool portion of the weekend out there. Nice conditions, a great weekend to maybe fire up the grill again tomorrow if you haven't already today. Then taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we got that nice kind of gradual warming trend into Sunday and then Monday. Really nice conditions, plenty of sunshine, but boy, Tuesday, that's when we really crank the heat up. 102 degrees is what we're expecting there, really hot day there. And then summer really takes a hold and just kind of keeps those high 80s for the rest of next week as well. Taking a look at your 4th of July fireworks forecast for today down at the Ann Morrison Park. Temperatures should be in the low 70s out there, 72 degrees what we're expecting. Clouds should be cleared out by that point. Really decent conditions out there. You may, in other areas of the valley, may have to dodge a stray shower or two this evening, but really decent conditions for all those fireworks shows around the Treasure Valley this evening. Hey, we have more news on the news at 6 coming up right after this break.